Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. With inventory low, here is your opportunity to own your first home or an investment property. With a little TLC, this 2-bedroom home can become a gem. Features include updated windows, newer furnace, basement with storage and laundry area, semi-private lot across from walking and biking trail, detached oversized 2-stall garage with heated and insulated rec room and back portion of garage.